Your ex-wife is about to get your life insurance money. Not because you wanted that, not because you planned it, but because you never updated your beneficiary. And in the eyes of the insurance company, she's still first in line. Beneficiary mistakes are one of the most common and most devastating errors I see on a life insurance policy. And the worst part is that nobody finds out until it's too late. So let's talk about the ones that we see most often. Mistake number 1. Ex-spouse. Divorce does not automatically remove an ex-spouse as your beneficiary in Texas. That requires you to actively update your policy. I've seen this play out exactly the way that you're imagining. A remarried man passes away, his current wife and kids get nothing, and an ex-spouse that he hasn't spoken to in 15 years receives the entire death benefit. The insurance company isn't being cruel. They're just following the paperwork. Update your beneficiary the moment that your life insurance situation changes. Mistake 2. Minor children named directly. And here's one that surprises a lot of parents. If you name a minor child directly as your beneficiary, the insurance company cannot legally pay that money to a child. The funds are going to get held up in court. A legal guardian has to be appointed to manage the money. The process can take months. It costs thousands in legal fees. There are several ways to handle this, including naming your spouse as the primary beneficiary and your children as contingent, or establishing a trust. Just talk to your agent about the right structure for your situation. Mistake 3. No contingent beneficiary. A contingent beneficiary is your backup, the person who receives the benefit if your primary beneficiary passes away before you or at the same time. Most people name their spouse, and they stop there. But if your spouse passes in the same accident and there's no contingent beneficiary listed, that money goes to your estate. That means probate court, delays, legal fees, and potentially your kids waiting years to receive what you intended for them. It's a 5-minute fix. Mistake 4. Never reviewing after major life events. This last one ties all of these together. Most people name a beneficiary whenever they first buy the policy and never look at it again. Marriage, divorce, the birth of a child, and the death of a beneficiary. Any of these should trigger an immediate review of your life insurance policy. Your life insurance should directly reflect your life as it is right now, not as it was when you were 20 years younger and bought the policy. Here's a bonus one that we'll go over quickly. Speaking of being younger when you purchase the policy, if you have a parent named as your life insurance beneficiary prior to you getting married and you never update this, your parent could receive the benefit rather than your new spouse. That could